to the Grand Gallery, where colors dance and mysteries breathe. The halls shimmer bright with the painter's delight, but shadows crawl just underneath. Tonight's the gala of the arts, where every hue plays a part. But a crime was born with a brutal scorn, a masterpiece torn apart. Brushes dropped, whispers fly, a guilty hand beneath the sky. The butler's called, the doors are sealed. The truth tonight must be revealed. In color crimes we play our part, where every mark betrays a heart. Influence of arts, the spark. Where healing starts, where healing starts. Through sculpture studios and graffiti gardens, through abstract atriums wild and hardened. You'll chase the trails of pastel dreams, find truth stitched inside the seams. The suspects wait in colored pride. Purple, red, blue, green collide. Black and yellow, bluff and sway. Will you unmask the guilt today? Brushes dropped, whispers fly, a guilty hand beneath the sky. The butler's called, the doors are sealed. The truth tonight must be revealed. In color crimes we play our part, where every mark betrays a heart. Influence of arts, the first spark. Where healing starts, where healing starts. Remember, in art a mark remains. In colors, beauty, and in stains. Influence of art, where the canvas heals. Unlock your story. Unlock what's real.
Case 2. Crayons of Chaos. Victim, Les Demoiselles d'Avignon, defaced with childlike crayon scribbles. Crime details, a broken pencil crayon is left on the floor. Clues, someone was seen with a box of crayons near the contemporary wing. Outcome, use the revealed tools. Outcome, culprit, Miss Purple. Weapon, pencil crayon. Room, the contemporary wing. Motive, rage at Picasso's portrayal of women. She called it distorted dignity.